Hi friend, it's Miss Kristina over at the Corona Public Library bringing another virtual story time. Are you ready? Me too. Okay, it's time for a story. Now we're going to read Dawdle, Duckling, written by Toni, Buzzeo. Across the bay, on the blue waves rolling, one mama duck paddles and quacks. 1, 2, 3 ducklings swim behind. But the fourth little duckling dawdles and dreams. Quack, catch up, says Mama Duck. Dawdle Duckling winds his zigzag trail. No, quack, quack, I won't catch up. Up the cove, toward the big rock rising, one mama duck paddles and quacks. 1, 2, 3 ducklings swim behind. But the fourth little duckling dawdles and dreams, preens and plays. Quack, catch up, says Mama Duck. Dawdle Duckling nips his downy fluff. No, quack, quack, I won't catch up. Along the shore, to the green grass sprouting, one mama duck paddles and quacks. 1, 2, 3 ducklings swim behind. But the fourth little duckling dawdles and dreams, preens and plays, splashes and spins. Quack, catch up, says Mama Duck. Dawdle Duckling splatters a foamy spray. No, quack, quack, I won't catch up. Past the marsh, with the cattails waving, one mama duck paddles and quacks. 1, 2, 3 ducklings swim behind. But the fourth little duckling dawdles and dreams, preens and plays, splashes and spins, dunks and dips. Quack, catch up, says Mama Duck. Dawdle Duckling nibbles a tasty fly. No, quack, quack, I won't catch up. Around the island, in the shallow water waiting. Quack, look out. Oh no. One mama duck flaps and flutters. 1, 2, 3 ducklings hop up behind. But the fourth little duckling dawdles and dreams, preens and plays, splashes and spins, dunks and dips, looks quack, 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 and leaps. The end. And see, you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 little ducklings. Okay, it's time for a song. And this time we're going to do the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Are you ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right, this time let's do a great big spider. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job. Okay, it's time for a story. And now we're going to read Snow Moon, written by Brunelle. From outside, in the winter chill, I saw eyes as dark as chocolate and feathers cloaked in icy flakes. The flurries faded when the ghostly creature lifted its giant wings and soared through the air. I raced down the stairs and out the door as the wind whispered snowflakes through the trees. I followed through forests and fields of rolled hay, over rocks and white hills. Oh, do you see that? He sees a feather. Do you see the feather? All along Crescent Bay. Beyond the great cypress, just over Star Bridge, to a place long forgotten, a place called Owl Ridge. There, from all around the sleeping world, hundreds of owls twisted and twirled across the moonlit sky. See all the owls? That's a lot of owls, huh? Circling the moon, they brushed off the light with a touch of their wings. Oh, it's so pretty, huh? And once more that night, sugary snow fell from the sky. The end. It's time for a song. Let's do Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. You ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job.
Okay, and now it's time for a craft. Today, we're going to be making a DIY bird feeder created by the Relaxed Homeschool. And here's their website if you want to see all their other fun activities. Some of the things we'll need is going to be a plastic bottle, some bird seed, a pair of good scissors, twigs or pencils, and some yarn. Now, the first thing we want to do is to create our first perch. So have an adult help you create a small slit on both sides of the bottle, about 2 inches from the bottom. Then we're going to slide the twig or pencil through the openings. We're going to do the same thing at the top of the bottle, but remember to keep it the opposite direction of our first perch. Next, we're going to create a small hole about 2 inches above the perch, so that way the birds can access the bird seed. Next, we're going to add in our bird seed, and we're going to tie the yarn around the very bottom of the top of the bottle, just under the top. Well, that's it for today, but don't forget, we have a bunch of virtual story times just waiting for you on our YouTube channel. And you can also participate in our Click, Park, and Pickup, which is my favorite, or stop by the library to browse the bookshelves yourself. If you like today's story time, be sure to give it a thumbs up. See you next time!